Hello, friends! Today we are going to see vehicles on the water and fun wheels on the ground. Splash, splash. Let's take a look together. Point with your finger and say the names with me. Boat, boat. Look, a boat on the water. Boats float and move across lakes and rivers. Splash, splash. Can you wave your hand like water? Let's pretend we are on a boat rock. Rock. Say boat. What's this? This is a big ship. Ship, ship, ship. Ships are much bigger than boats and travel across the ocean. Look how large it is. Can you spread your arms wide? Big ship. Say with me, ship. Ferry, ferry, ferry. Here comes a ferry. Ferries carry people and cars across the water. Let's drive onto the ferry. Stop. Now ride across. Beep, beep. So big. Point to it with me. Look at the cargo ship. Cargo ship. Cargo ship. It carries boxes and goods from one country to another. So many containers. Can you pretend to stack boxes? Up, up. Point and say the names with me. Cargo ship. Container ship. Container ship. Container ship. A container ship full of colorful boxes. These boxes are called containers. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. So many. Say the words with me. Container ship. What is this? An oil tanker. Oil tanker. Oil tanker. That big ship is an oil tanker. It carries oil across the ocean. It moves slowly and carefully. Can you move slowly like the tanker? Slow, slow. Look, a sailboat. 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 The wind pushes the sails to move the boat. Whoosh! Can you blow like the wind? Blow, blow. Point and say the names with me. Sailboat. Speedboat. 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 Zoom! A speedboat goes fast on the water. Splash! It makes waves behind it. Can you go fast? Zoom, zoom. Say with me, speedboat. Motor yacht. Motor yacht. Motor yacht. A fancy motor yacht. Yachts are big, comfortable boats for relaxing trips. Let's pretend to sit and enjoy the ride. So smooth. Can you say with me? Motor yacht. What is this? A tugboat. Tugboat. Look. A small but strong tugboat. Tugboats help push and pull big ships. Push. Can you pretend to push something? Look. Submarine. 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 Look under the water, it's a submarine. Submarines can dive deep into the ocean. Down, down. Can you pretend to dive underwater? Here's a fishing boat. Fishing boat. Fishing boat. People use it to catch fish. Let's throw the fishing line, splash. Did we catch a fish? Pull it up. Point and say the names with me. Fishing boat. Look! A canoe! Canoe! long and narrow boats. People paddle them on the water. Paddle, paddle! Can you pretend to paddle? Great job! This is a kayak. 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 Kayaks are small and fast. Use a paddle like this left. Right. Can you paddle with me? Point and say the names with me. Kayak. Jet ski. Jet ski. Jet ski. Zoom. A jet ski races across the water. It's fast and fun. Splash, splash. Can you pretend to ride the jet ski? Hold on tight. Say the words with me. Jet ski. Great job! We saw so many boats and ships on the water. Now, let's try something different. What do we ride on the ground for fun? Let's go see some fun wheels. Look at this ATV. 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 It's an all-terrain vehicle that can drive on dirt, grass, and hills. Bumpy, bumpy. Can you pretend to ride over bumps? Go-kart, go-kart, go-kart. A go-kart is racing by. Go-karts are small and fast. Perfect for racing on a track. Ready to race? Can you steer left and right? Snowmobile, snowmobile, snowmobile. Brr! Here comes a snowmobile. Snowmobiles glide over snow in the winter. Whoosh! Can you pretend to ride over snowy hills? Cold and fun. Point and say the names with me. Snowmobile. Look, a skateboard, 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 skateboard rolling on the ground. People stand and ride using their feet. Push, glide. Can you pretend to push and ride? Great balance. Segway, segway, segway. A segway moves by balancing. Lean forward to go, lean back to stop. Can you stand still and balance? You're doing great. Say the words with me. Segway. A big RV. 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 RVs are like homes on wheels. People can sleep, eat, and travel inside. Let's go on a road trip. Vroom. Point and say the names with me. RV. Look at the hoverboard. 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 It moves when you lean your body. Glide, turn. Can you pretend to balance and glide? So cool. Say hoverboard. Look, a caravan being pulled along. Caravan, caravan. Caravans are trailers people use for camping trips. Can you pretend to pull the caravan? What's this? A horse carriage. Horse carriage. Clip clop. Here comes a horse carriage. A horse pulls the carriage along the road. Can you make the horse sound? Neigh. Clip clop. Look, a rickshaw. 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 A person rides and pulls passengers along. Pedal, pedal. Can you pretend to pedal a bike? Rickshaws help people travel in the city, rickshaw. Awesome learning today. We saw vehicles on the water and fun rides on the ground. You did such a great job. Let's make one more sound. Splash, splash. Vroom, vroom. See you next time.